conducted by me, GNE. So, got this piece pretty much shaped out to where I want it. Maybe I have to make, maybe a few more adjustments up top there. And I got the piece cut out there to mimic the way it was. So it fits something like that up in there. Yeah, fits something like that in there. Yeah, gotta make a few more adjustments, but as expected. So that's the first series of cut. And before I go any deeper, yeah, I like what I'm seeing there. Take a better look at it from down here.